What's up, guys? I'm Scotty Scrub. We're in Fort Worth, Texas at Nitro Circus Live. Take a rundown of the Harley that we're going to be jumping tonight. Start off, we did the 1 7/8 bar down to a 7/8 inch end instead of a 1 inch bar all the way through. The 7/8 throttle tube is a lot smoother, pulls easier, better in your hands. I also did a single cable rather than the push-pull stock Harley cable, and that helps a lot with throttle control. The front brake system on this is just a standard CR125 master cylinder and cable. It's a stock caliper down there, so stock Harley stuff for the most part. And then on the clutch, we did the Elite clutch lever with the 1 finger pull on it. And I also did an easy pull inner pulley for the clutch, so it makes it nice and smooth. For the suspension, I kept with the stock setup on the front. We just did a longer dampening rod to give it a little higher ride height. On the rear, we did the 16-inch Nowowski suspension. Got the canisters on it, and it works very well on the ramps. Along with the dirt bike front brake, we have the EDC oversized rotor for perfect cases like this where there's tight stopping room, so we can get stopping real nice and quick. So this saddleman seat was just a stock saddleman seat like you buy over the showroom floor, and I modified it with these grab holes in it, so it looks a little rough here. I upholstered it myself, but we got the grab holes made in it so I can do some seat grabs on this thing, and we still got the high back for some wheelies out on the streets. And then the fender on this is just a cut fender with a piece of titanium on the back of it. Try and shoot some sparks down when we're doing some wheelies if we can get that good. So the chain and sprocket on here, I believe this rear is a 51 rear with a 530 wide chain, stock front gearing on it. And of course, got to go with the gold and black, make the bike look good. We went with the 2-into-1 pipe from Sporty Mob, and it gives it a little extra bottom end, just what we need right off the top of the ramp. The OG pegs are more like a dirt bike style of peg. They got this sweet waffle in here that hooks really well, and they bite really good on your boots and stuff. So I'm Scotty Scrub, and this is my 2017 Sportster 883.